In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover deleted task on Asana Full 2026 Guide. If you accidentally removed a task and need it back, Asana's search makes it quick to locate and restore it, and I'll walk you through it clearly. First, open Asana and land on your home view. Make sure you're in the correct workspace or organization where the task originally lived, so your results are relevant. Next, click the search bar at the top of the page. We're not just typing a keyword, we're going to use the filters that come with search to zero in on deleted items. Open the filter controls to reveal the advanced search options. This panel lets you narrow results by things like projects, assignees, dates, and crucially, whether a task has been deleted. Find the status control that currently shows any and click it to open the dropdown. This setting tells Asana which task state to include in the results, and by default, it shows everything. From that dropdown, choose Deleted. That change instructs Asana to only surface tasks that are in the trash, which is exactly what we need for a recovery. Now run the search. Asana will compile a list of tasks that match, limited to the workspace you're in and the filters you've set. If your list is long, don't worry. The deleted filter ensures you're only seeing items that can be brought back. In the results, look for the task you want to bring back, and click Undelete next to its name. As soon as you do, Asana restores the task and returns it to its original context, including the previous project and collaborators when possible. If you have the right permissions, you'll see it reappear in that project immediately. After restoring, it's a good idea to review the task's details, like due date, assignee, and any custom fields, so everything is in place. A couple of quick tips as you work. If nothing appears, confirm you're searching in the correct workspace and that deleted is selected. You can also add filters like project or assignee in the same panel to pinpoint a specific item faster. And remember, permanently purged tasks can't be recovered, so timing may matter depending on your plan and admin settings. That's all it takes to recover a deleted task in Asana using advanced search and the undelete action. Thanks for watching, and happy